Welcome to the Grimes Factor. My name is Roger Grimes, and I have a coconut. Okay, I'm going to hit it with martial art weapons. If that doesn't work, I got hammer time. Alright, we're going to start with the nunchakus. Let's see what happens here. Hey, I missed it! Nunchakus, nothing. Let's hit it again. Oh, I got a big crack. I do have a crack. Alright, let's go to the next one. Tonfa. And we got coconut juice everywhere. So we got the crack. So we got the coconut water everywhere. There we go. Let's see. Now, it's hammer time. That worked out real well. So there it is, our smashing coconuts. If you haven't subscribed yet to the Grimes Factor, what are you waiting for? God bless you. Coconut juice everywhere, water everywhere.